Welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install pycharm and Python on your PC. So let's get started.
So the first step is come to Google and type in Python download. Click on the first link. Click on download. Now open a new tab and type pycharm download. Now click on this link. Now we are going to click download Community Edition. Now once your download is finished, install Python. Now click check in add Python 3.10 to path, then click install now. Your installation is successfully completed. Now we are going to install pycharm. Open your pycharm setup. Then click allow. Click next again and click install. Your installation will take a few minutes. Now click on finish now. Now open your pycharm. Pycharm is by JetBrains. To create a new project, click on new project. Now select your path. Now type in any random name. This is what you get in loading page, so your pycharm installation is successfully completed.